In today's video, I'm gonna recommend you one plant that is called marshmallow, especially something called marshmallow root for many problems that you can have it, but especially if you have any kind of skin condition. Marshmallow root, you can use it if you have skin problems, psoriasis, eczema, dermatitis, rosacea, or any kind of similar condition. It is going to help you a lot. In today's video, you will learn a lot more about marshmallow root. You will learn how you can help you with your skin conditions, and then at the end of the show, I'm going to give you recommended daily dosage and how you can, of course, use this plant. Althea officinalis marshmallow is also known as Ajbish, is a perennial herbaceous plant with powerful branched and fleshy root that is rich in mucilage. The most effective and most commonly used part of the plant is the root, which contains about 30% mucilage. It is precisely because of valuable mucilage that marshmallow is used for salt-irritated mucous membranes. And one of the uses that you can, of course, use this plant is going to be for your upper respiratory tract problems. If you have mucus, if you have swollen lymph nodes, if you have sinusitis, bronchitis, any kind of problem with the sore throat, whatever, this plant is going to help you a lot. What are the health benefits of this plant? It helps the body remove excess mucus and fluid from the upper respiratory system. Promotes skin health, alleviates symptoms of psoriasis, eczema, dermatitis. Treats urinary tract infections. Helps with digestive problems, Crohn's disease, ulcerative colitis, acid reflux. Removes swelling from the body, prevents headaches, supports kidney health. Treats sinuses, tonsillitis, bronchitis, and the sore throat. Eliminates cough. Reduce the risk of the blood clots and the heart attack and the stroke. Removes kidney stones, promotes healthy liver. That is unbelievably important information. I believe a few of you really know what marshmallow root can do it. But for today's show, it's unbelievably important that if you have any kind of skin conditions, redness, swelling, itchiness of your skin that is caused by psoriasis, eczema, dermatitis, and so forth, you can find in good quality healthy store balsams or some kind of creams or ointments that contain this marshmallow root that can help you a lot. Of course, you can use this marshmallow root in many other forms. This is natural remedy for the skin diseases such as psoriasis, eczema, and can also be used for insect bites, wounds, burns, itching, and chapped skin. It soothes the skin nervous sensory system, has anti-irritant properties, and is even well tolerated by people with allergies and hypersensitive skin. If you can find natural ointments made from marshmallow extracts, try making your own moisturizer or for dry skin by adding few drops to a cream based on the coconut or jojoba oil. It is used together with natural remedies such as tea tree oil and aloe vera. One of the best solutions, and I give it to you many times for the last 5 years, I don't know, maybe tens and tens of these videos about natural remedies, psoriasis, skin problems, and so forth. I'm going to recommend you can use this marshmallow extract, but if you cannot find any kind of good quality marshmallow extract, you can make it on your own. Just combine coconut oil, olive oil, jojoba oil, almond oil, or any kind of healthy oil with those extract. Aloe vera is also perfect. Mix it together and you can put it on your skin a couple of times a day. It can help you a lot in very natural way. According to some research, marshmallow is an effective natural remedy for certain digestive disorders, including irritable bowel syndrome. It is also a natural remedy for ulcerative colitis and the Crohn's disease. It helps prevent heartburn, stomach ulcers, diarrhea, and constipation. Interestingly, the mucilage properties of the marshmallow remain stable in the body all the way through the digestive system until it reaches the large intestine. This means The mucus don't change shape and it passes through the digestive tract, making it useful for soothing symptoms for inflammatory bowel problems. This is unbelievably important. For this mucus that you get from the plant, it goes to your throat and goes all the way through your digestive system, helps your digestive system, your of course upper respiratory tract in a very natural way. That is unbelievably important information. I'm gonna also recommend you how to use this herb. Marshmallow root is available in several forms. You can buy it in the health food stores as a tea, capsules, tinctures, salves, creams or skin balms. The safe dose for marshmallow root has yet to be determined, but recommended doses are based on traditional use. Literature suggests that drinking 250 milliliters of tea at least 1 to 2 hours before or after taking any kind of oral medications. Water treatment for the digestive systems up to 6 grams per day in the powder, capsule or tincture form is suggested. A sore throat or cough can be relieved by making tea with 1 to 2 tablespoons of marshmallow root powder 3 or 4 times daily. Usually a glass of water containing 30 to 40 drops. You can make it also, if you can buy tincture, that is also can be helpful. Just in 30 to 40 milliliters, drop, I don't know, like 30 drops of this marshmallow root extract, mix it, drink it, it can help you a lot. So for today's video, you must take into consideration if you have any kind of skin problems, marshmallow root can help you in the form of the balm, ointments or whatever. You can also make it on your own. At the end of the show, I'm going to also recommend to make tea from the marshmallow root. Marshmallow tea. 1 tablespoon marshmallow root. 1 tablespoon peppermint leaves optional. 1 cup hot water. In a container, combine marshmallow root and the water. Cover with the lid. Leave the liquid overnight. In the morning, strain the liquid and you have perfect natural remedies for many ailments, of course also for the skin conditions. If you have any kind of suggestion how you can help yourself, or you may be seeing some other friends of yours or maybe family that have psoriasis, eczema or any kind of skin conditions, and you can help them with the natural remedies, please comment below what natural remedies helping you to get better. I believe you can also help a lot of people that watching my video. And of course, if you find this video useful, share it with your friends and the family, and we share this kind of knowledge for everyone in the world. Thank you for following me, my dear viewers. But before you go, I'm going to recommend you to watch this video. Many other natural remedies against skin and psoriasis that I was making on my channel. Thank you once more. See you. Bye bye.